Okay, this is my Rube Goldberg project, and I'm going to explain everything that's going to be happening. So basically, I'm going to start off with releasing this marble right here, and the marble is going to go through these obstacles, and the marble is going to hit these marbles right here, and it is going to release these marbles and hit this. So this is my inelastic collision along with these dominoes. So basically, once the marbles hit this is my pendulum. It will knock these books down, starting a chain reaction. And right here, we're going to have this book fall down on this clothespin, which is going to be held back like this with our ping pong ball in here. And so when that book falls on the clothespin, it's going to snap, and it's going to snap that ping pong ball all the way through these PVC pipes. So it's going to be going up a ramp, and it's going to be going through these PVC pipes all the way through here. And this is the final part of it. So the ping pong ball will have gone through all of these pipes, and it's going to land on this mouse trap that's going to be spring loaded. So this is my spring action right here. And when the ping pong ball falls on this mouse trap, it's going to release this golf ball, creating projectile motion. And this golf ball is going to hit this piece of wood, and it has these pins on it, which are then going to fall onto this balloon, thus popping the balloon. Okay, that's good. 3, 2,